about some important English expressions. And let's first start with like and like to. I like and I like to. First, let's look at the board for some examples. With I like, we have to put a person, place, or thing, right? So let's look. I like cookies, right? Food is a thing. So I could say I like cookies. I like pizza. Okay, the next one. I like English. English is a subject in school, so that's another thing. So I can also say I like math, right? The next one is I like you. You is a person. I can say I like him. I like Sally, right? I can say a person. And I like dogs. That's another thing. I like dogs. Or for me personally, I like cats as well. Okay, so let's first try these examples a little bit faster. Now please try to follow with me. I like cookies. I like cookies. I like English. I like English. I like you. I like you. And I like dogs. I like dogs. Okay, the second example is I like to. Now, we put a to here. That means after, I have to put an activity, right? An activity. For example, I like to dance. I like to dance. But what I want you to listen for is that to becomes just like a t. Now, it's okay to say I like to dance. I like to dance. That's okay. But most native English speakers will kind of get rid of the O and say I like to dance. I like to dance. Here's the next one. I like to sing. I like to sing. I like to study. I like to shop. Okay? So these are all personally things that I like to do. Actually, I love to do them. But like to and like is a little more common. Okay, so let's practice these 4 examples one more time, a little more quickly, and please try to follow me. I like to dance. I like to dance. I like to sing. I like to sing. I like to study. I like to study. I like to shop. I like to shop. Okay, let's look at some more examples together. I like school. I like school. I like dresses. I like dresses. I like pizza. I like pizza. I like money. I like money. I like vacations. I like vacations. I like food. I like food. I like to eat. I like to eat. I like to exercise. I like to exercise. I like to walk. I like to walk. I like to drink coffee. I like to drink coffee. I like to meet friends. I like to meet friends. I like to travel. I like to travel. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the expressions I don't like and I don't like to. Okay, so if you look at the board, I've changed I like to I don't like. Now it's the same. At the end, I have to say a person, a place, or thing. Okay, so let's look at them together. I don't like sushi. Let's try it a little bit faster. I don't like sushi. I don't like sushi. Okay, the next one is I don't like math, right? We can say I hate, but I don't like is more common. I don't like math. Again, a little faster. I don't like math. I don't like math. The next one is I don't like him. I don't like him. I don't like him. And the last one, I don't like snakes, right? A lot of women don't like snakes. I don't like snakes. I don't like snakes. Okay. The second example is, I don't like to. I don't like to. Remember, at the end of this, we have to put an action, something that we do, right? So we can say, I don't like to run. I don't like to run. Remember, again, the to, you can say, I don't like to, or I don't like to. I don't like to run. Let's try the next one. I don't like to study. I don't like to study. Okay, after that, I don't like to drink. A little faster. I don't like to drink. I don't like to drink. And the last one is, I don't like to fight, right? It can get a little bit scary, right? I don't like to fight. I don't like to fight. Let's look at some more examples together. Okay, let's look at some examples. I don't like spiders. I don't like spiders. I don't like snow. I don't like snow. I don't like winter. I don't like winter. I don't like chicken feet. I don't like chicken feet. I don't like heels. I don't like heels. I don't like ugly guys. I don't like ugly guys. I don't like to work. I don't like to work. I don't like to hike. I don't like to hike. I don't like to wash dishes. I don't like to wash dishes. I don't like to clean up. I don't like to clean up. I don't like to eat alone. I don't like to eat alone. I don't like to drink soju. I don't like to drink soju. Okay, so in this video, we talked about the expressions I like to, and I don't like to. But before we close up, I'm going to talk about I like and I don't like one more time, because there are other ways to say the same thing. Instead of I like, I can also say I enjoy or I love. But remember, love is very strong, right? For example, I love cats. I also love dogs, right? So love is stronger than like. Okay, the next part is I don't like. I can also say I dislike. Again, I dislike. For example, I dislike snakes, right? Or I hate snakes. Similar to love, hate is a very strong way of saying I don't like something. For example, I hate snakes, right? I hate snakes. Okay, so I hope that helped and hope to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.